Welcome, today I am with Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones and I'll show you how you can connect them with your iPhone or any iOS device. It will look identical. So the first, we have to go for the App Store. So let me just find the App Store. Maybe I'll make the quick search. Oh yeah, there we got the App Store. And we have to go right here for the search tool and type headphones. Sony headphones. We can take it from this quick search. We have to get this application, so just tap here, and let's download. Okay, and as you can see, when the download is finished, we can simply open this application. Accept the permission that pops on the screen, and looks like we have some kind of debug because application close. Okay, right now we are back. So we have to select our country region, and I will set up Poland. Here we are. So select your country region, tap here to read above contents. Of course we agree with this because without tapping on this switcher we cannot go forward. Click next. Accept another stuff, click allow, and then we have to turn on our headphones. So you have to grab them like that. You have to grab the left headphone and you have to click and hold the power button. It's right here. So you have to click and hold it. Okay, so we have to be sure that they are turned off, and after that you have to click and hold this button one more time. Keep holding. And right now we can hear the notification that Bluetooth pairing mode is turned on. So we have to click next. As you can see, our iPhone find headphones, so we can tap here, keep them close to the iPhone, click next. Okay, it's empty, so we cannot select an accessory, so we can tap cancel. Let's try to make the same steps one more time. Okay, as you can see, I didn't read this notification. It can take to the 1 minute to pop this headphones right here on the list. So we have to be patient and just wait. Oh, they are here, so we can tap. Okay, I think we can just skip this one because we have this application already on the phone. Finally, click OK. Right now we can sign in with account or make it later. We can restore this settings that we have on this headphones. I'm gonna proceed without restoring. Click next. You can use adaptive sound control, or you can set it up later. The same with the activity. Tap next. Just keep tapping. I'm gonna skip the 360 sound. We can also set it up after this setup, and we can go to the dashboard, and there we are. As you can see right now, we are connected to the iPhone with our Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.